Looking for professional and reliable shipping container movers in Oregon? Whether you need to rent, buy, or move a container, 3 Movers offers expert services to save you time and money. We serve clients across Oregon and the entire U.S. using specialized portable side lifter cranes with untethered controls for safe, precise handling of your fully loaded shipping containers. From door-to-door relocation to flexible container rentals, we make the process seamless. Renting a shipping container with us is simple. Pick your delivery date, select the container size that fits your needs, and enjoy convenient storage. Pack on your schedule. Then we'll pick it up and deliver it wherever you want. Plus, containers double as storage. Keep them on-site or in our secure facilities for short or long term. Already own a shipping container? Need to move it? Our expert movers handle all the logistics, so your container arrives safely and quickly, whether across town or across the country. With years of experience and cutting-edge technology, we're Oregon's top choice for container transport. We deliver containers directly to your home, job site, or renovation project, making us one of the most flexible storage and moving solutions in Oregon. No matter your needs, residential, commercial, or industrial, our services are tailored for you. Our container moving services cover a wide range of cities throughout Oregon, including Portland, Salem, Eugene, Bend, Medford, and many more. Wherever you are, 3 Movers is ready to assist. Ready to move or rent your shipping container? Fill out our online request form or call us at 1-888-202-0036 today. Choose 3 Movers and save up to 20% on your container moving needs. Trust the experts to get the job done right, on time, and stress-free.